So I had these things wedged in here holding this window up. It's replaced. You're gonna go behind here. You got a T20. Behind this clip right there is another T20. And then once those two things are out of there, we're gonna grab this, get up underneath this panel right here, and pop her forward. This is gonna come off as well. Just like that. Has these pop clips. So let's go ahead, get those T20s out, pop this panel off, and then we'll go from there. 20 on there. Put in. Pop it loose. So she should pop loose all the way around. There it is. We're gonna lift straight up. Then we're gonna have some electrical connectors behind here. I'll go ahead, push tab there, push tab here, and one more here. All right, off. This one goes here, and then what you're gonna do here is you got a little pull tab right down in here. Let me see if I can. You got a pull tab right off in here. We're gonna pull this. Actually, it has these little press in tabs. You're gonna press them in. Push them in on either side. Get it out of its little comfort zone. Unhook it, and then that releases your door panel right there. These little clips that you may see, we're also going to end up having to take this speaker out because this whole panel comes. So you're going to want to undo these clips. Have this latch on the inside. It's hooked on. So there's a nice video to watch. A TRQ makes a video on this same Dodge, how to take off these clips. These 10mm, real quick. Make it easy. Nothing crazy. No. No, don't. Ugh. I need a hand. I need a helping hand. Ugh. Jesus. Alright. See the lock mechanism, buddy. Ouch. Let's get down out of there. Using my pick. Alright. Don't worry, she's almost out now, buddy. Alright. We got that. And I thought there was one more. Oh, there it is. And there it is. This is gonna be so hard to get back on. And I'm gonna have to take my I'm gonna have to take my freaking sweater off. And then get that pipe out of there. Come on. Get up out of there. Stop playing these freaking games with me already. Playing these games with me. She's out. Man, I owe it all to David. So these right here, they actually had broke off on there. So otherwise, the new assemblies. There's one right there. I'm just using my hand. The new assemblies come with the plastics. Alright, so this is going to go into these little notches right here. You have another notch there, and then you'll have this notch right there. Okay, so it's going to be drilled in from the opposing side, and then you'll have these three that you'll stick in through these little holes. just like that, that, and that. Okay, and then we'll use the bolts to put her in. So these 4 Torx right here had some light Loctite on them. I don't believe that's necessary. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere, so it's gonna be T25s, and we're gonna put them on these 4 corners. There we go, baby. Nice and sturdy. Alright. 3 last bolts with a T27. We're gonna go right in there. Okay, but we're gonna have to put the motor on. So, window regulator motor, they have teeth. We're gonna line these 3 up. It's gonna sit like this. Okay, and then we'll put our screws through and zip them into place. So let me do that right quick. Got the car on, got my window control here, and we're gonna test out, see this thing's moving. We got live action. Window. Live action, baby. Okay. Now that we know that works, we can proceed with the rest of the process. Alright. So we got that one there. Where's the other one? There it is. Oh, you son of a gun. Don't you dare. Don't you hold out on me. Yeah, see that there? Oh, she's lining up, brothers. Brothers.